Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Roblox keyboard controls. Alright, let's begin. When you open Roblox using the Roblox player on PC, you might expect to find key binding options. However, if you go into the settings from the main interface, you'll notice it only offers account-related settings, not gameplay controls. To dig deeper, try joining any game. Once it loads, press the escape key to open the in-game settings. In this menu, you'll find options to change movement mode, adjust camera sensitivity, or switch camera types. Unfortunately, key binding settings are not available here either. As of now, Roblox does not allow users to customize default keyboard controls on PC directly. The keys for movement, interaction, and other actions are preset and cannot be changed through the Roblox interface. The only way to work around this limitation is by using external tools, such as macro software or custom drivers that come with certain gaming keyboards. So that's basically how you can change Roblox keyboard controls. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.